Teachers in Space is a nonprofit educational organization. So our primary goal is to get teachers onto flights into space and return them to their classrooms so they can inspire their students. We are also bringing space into the classroom by training teachers to build CubeSats with their students. And this right here is a CubeSat. It is a ready-to-fly experimental platform where they can work with that data and they get kind of a taste of engineering at a young age. Itemit is a great resource for us because we collect various experiments and pieces of artwork, all sorts of different items. We then fly into space and back. Using Itemit's tracking platform, we will allow students to actually see where those things are. We work with students and classrooms all across the United States. Yeah, it's a benefit for just the nature of our organization where we are rather decentralized, and using Itemit's tracking platform, it has made it easier for us to get an idea of how many experiments are coming from various locations around the country. The collections are useful as well because we generally focus at the state level. The collections allow me to then organize the various different CubeSats into like states. And so being able to just organize the CubeSats that way is helpful as well to keep track of things. Also, the platform allows me to keep updated information about those payloads available to anybody with access to the platform. And that way, everybody who's involved, all the stakeholders, will be able to see in basically real time what's going on with their CubeSat, what are the next steps. The most useful feature for me, and I think for the teachers that work with us, is the map feature. The universe has so many beautiful and amazing things for our eyeballs to see, and it may sound a little silly, but just the maps that Itemit provides are a way to kind of further that goal of, bringing all of this to the eyes of people around the world. If you think it's tough tracking all of your assets just on Earth, you're going to see a huge amount of industry in space, probably in the next 10, 15, 20 years. And all of that you're going to want to keep track of. And Itemit seems like an amazing platform to be able to do all of that. It is poised to be able to kind of be at the forefront of that expansion into space.